Hello everyone, welcome to Tower PHTV. So we're back for another shoe unboxing, and this time we're going to unbox this shoe from Adidas, guys. So kung ano to, let's check it out after this intro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So yun guys, this is actually an old shoe, pair of shoes. I got this late 2023, just before tayo magkaroon ng slip disc, and hindi na natin siya na-unbox yun, but we were able to do a short video of this one. But now we're going to check out kung ano ba itong shoes na to, or pair of shoes na to from Adidas. This is actually the Adidas Dame Certified 2.0. Yan, so there's already a 3.0 out in the market, and as said, late 2023 natin to nakuha, and yan guys, nakuha natin to on sale, kaya natin siya nabili. So what's inside the box is wait, Mr. Common, yung box ni Damian Lillard, Dame Certified box. Sorry, nag-reflect ng ilaw, but yan, so it says yung shoe size, and size 11 or UK 10.5 ang kinuha natin. It's colorway niya is FTWWHC or white, C black, ORBGRY. So yan for mga codes, but yung code number niya is IE9345, and this one is made in Vietnam. It retailed for 5,300, but as said, I got this at half the price. Then when you open the box, yan, you got yung tissue paper or yung napkin, double paper siya. And let's put out the shoes first. So it's actually black and white. And now we're going to use this outdoor, although pwede rin siyang pang indoor, but with the type of outsole nito, we're planning to use it for our outdoor use, for yung basketball natin outdoor. And going to the shoes, it's, I said, black and white, tapos medyo purely synthetic leather yung upper niya, but with this one parang mesh type yung black, or manipis na foam with this semi-flat shoelaces. And yun, let's check out kung ano yung mga details nitong shoes na ito. So yun guys, as check sa website ni Adidas, it's soft synthetic upper. So as you can see, synthetic leather siya with textile linings and rubber outsole. So ready siya for outdoor use, and yung outsole niya medyo parang mga waves. So from top hanggang dun sa bottom niya, and if you check, medyo malalaki yung gap, yung mga waves. Then may konting split siya dito sa part na to, and dito sa side na to with the letter B sa ilalim. And yun, medyo matigas yung kanyang rubber, tapos ang midsole niya is bounce. As you can see, nakasulat, it's using bounce. Sa harap merong Dala, and yung Dame logo. Sa kabilang side yung stripes ng Adidas. And that's it nga, bounce yung kanyang midsole, textile. And for the weight, this size 10.5 UK, so mga around ano siya, size 11 US, and it's 452 grams yung shoe. I think it's isa 449, so I think it's more on the normal side. It feels light, and yun nga lang, it looks bulky and medyo, I think, hot dahil sa kanyang synthetic na top. As for the design naman, medyo may konti siyang outrigger, and may support din siya dito. So So para pang protection din sa mga slides or sa tapilok or ankle sprain. And dito sa back niya meron siyang parang cup dito, so I think it's good din. And yung foam niya medyo makapal din. So let's try it on para ma-check natin for the heel slippage and yung comfort niya. So yun guys, snug fit siya, sakto. I can feel my toes here, and yung fit niya talaga, you can feel na the shoe is embracing your feet or your foot. So yung mold niya is saktong-sakto. As for the heel slippage, minor, although pwede mo pa namang sikipan, but yung uppermost eyelet niya hanggang dito lang. So I tied siya up to the uppermost. Ang napansin ko lang, pag tinignan nyo yung lace, ano niya, yung dinadaanan ng lace is parang may thread or something na doon lang siya nakapit. Pag sinisikipan mo siya, you have to hold on it kasi bumabalik, naglo-loose siya. So yun, you have to pull everything bago mo siya maitay. And as compared to other dames na na-try natin, medyo maiksi yung kanyang lace, no? And semi-flat. So excuse me. So for the feel naman, yan, maganda yung feel and comfort niya. I can almost yung court feel niya o yung floor feel niya medyo on the lower side. As for the bounce foam, yan, medyo malambot siya, but I'm going to try to put din yung ating insole na Victory on this one and try to play with it. As for the split test, squeaky siya. And yun, said medyo maganda yung feel niya, but you cannot really say how good it is pag hanggang di mo na tatry sa court. So siguro in the future you will be able to see some my games na using this pair of shoes from Adidas. So yun guys, since nabanggit natin yung insole kanina, let me just add, meron siyang insole ito na medyo nakakontour sa mold ng feet, but the material is somewhat parang ano lang siya, medyo may pagka rubbery pero may pagka styro. And good thing about this one, hindi siya ganun kadikit, so hindi siya mahirap tanggalin if you're going to replace it with a different insole. So you can do so. Yan, so I guess that's it for our unboxing of this Dame Certified 2.0. As I said, medyo luma na to. There's already out in the market yung 3.0, and I did bought this late 2023. So nakapark lang siya dyan, but as you all know, I really don't buy at retail, and kinuha natin to because it was on sale at 50% off. So from its retail, I was able to get it just around half the price. And yun, we're going to start using this one, and siguro from time to time I will share my experience on this one, and hopefully maging maganda siya at tumagal. Before we end, I would like to give a big shout out kay Cap Aris. So siya yung nagbigay nitong cap na to. So group namin ng Athena Basketball. Hopefully sometime makapag-collab tayo, bro, with all your Jason Tatum shoes. I think na complete niya yung 1 and 2, and he's working on completing different colorways of Tatum 3. And also big shout out kay Bro Wilson, nag-unbox din siya ng mga shoes. And of course kay Bro Charles, yun, Bro Charles, pagaling ka, basketball tayo soon, and salamat pa rin dun sa insole na bigay mo. So with that guys, I would like to end this video by giving a shout out to all our members, sina BF Angel Mendoza Insole, si Sis Geb Ampaslupang Burgess, Sis Tess, Taste and Sip by Tesha, and kay Mommy Mads Helen. Also big shout out kay Mommy Bel Sato and kay Daddy Yo HLJ, mga kasama natin dyan sa group chat. Also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, bloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. And yun po, Kita-kita tayo ulit sa ating mga susunod na video. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.
Ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.